Hello and welcome to this very quick video to show you how to update the firmware on this Here4 GPS and compass unit. Now I'm actually doing this as part of the series I've created here. I'll put a link down below. This is about to go into a plane, but I thought as I'm getting this error message you can see here on the screen, you can see that it's actually warning me that there's new firmware available for the Here4. So I need to do that update. So let's go into setup, let's go into drone CAN. Click on Mavlink CAN 1 and we can see here this is what's actually all connected. So on the CAN 1 connection, which is the one you need to be using here when you're doing this, we can see we have a number of things. The software version is this thing here, a Here4. So in the menu we have the option to update. It's going to say, do you want to search the internet for an update? It's going to say yes. It's going to then find and download the firmware. And then once the firmware is being downloaded, it's going to automatically just copy that across onto the Here4. You can see here that the Here4 LEDs are now doing something very, very different from they normally do. Just let this go through the entire process and then power cycle everything at the end. It's this easy, super simple to do, and with these advanced sophisticated GPS compass units like the Here4 running things like AP perif, it's really, really easy to do. All you really need to remember to do here is just click on the CAN bus that you're interested in. Remember when you're doing this to have the Here4 plugged into CAN 1, which is this connection here at the bottom, and then once you see it listed, you'll see the firmware and hardware versions and bits and pieces. Just hit for menu and then say update and away you go. Simple. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.